Hello friend, today we are going to study about iron deficiency anemia. What is iron deficiency anemia? What are the type? What is the etiopathogenesis of the iron deficiency anemia? Its management uh, and its complications. What are the signs and symptoms? Uh, how can we diagnose iron deficiency anemia? We also discuss in this. First, uh, first I talk about iron deficiency anemia. Earlier, in the age, old times, uh, it was a tradition of making food in the utensil of the iron, such as kadahi or such as such items, uh, which are made from iron. Uh, if food is prepared in them, ultimately they provide the ample amount of iron, which is sufficient. Uh, but nowadays, due to modernization, uh, there is a less fashion of making food in these iron utensil. Uh, so another cause is also there, uh, due to inadequate intake of iron in the diet, and in some cases iron requirement of the body also increase in case of pregnancy, puberty, and lactation also. uh, Now we come to the pathogenesis. Uh, mm, Due to deficiency of iron in the diet, less iron will be absorbed from the intestine, and as you all know, iron necessary for the formation of the heme. Due to less iron, heme is also less synthesized, so hemoglobin also less present in the RBCs. Let's talk about the peripheral smear finding. In peripheral smear, we see cells with the less amount of hemoglobin. These cells are uh, generally small in size, so called microcyte. Uh, they are having less color. I mean, hemoglobin responsible for color of the RBC. So if hemoglobin is less, then iron is less, hemoglobin also less, and RBC are of less color. That is hypochromic, so called microcytic hypochromic anemia. And pencil cell are also present in the iron deficiency anemia. Let talk about the management. What are the investigation we have to do in case of iron deficiency anemia? Uh, in case of small center or at village level or sub center, there are rapid uh, card papers are present. Um, uh, Health workers at the sub center or at village level, they readily uh, try to check the hemoglobin level of the person at there. Mm, but it is not so much accurate, but at periphery it is quite good. Uh, but we have to generally do it by Sahali method, uh, in which we check the we compare the color of the pipette with the other two, and we estimate the hemoglobin concentration. Nowadays, ready-made cell counter machine are also present, which readily estimate our hemoglobin concentration. Uh, let's come to the treatment. Uh, as you all know, uh, some worms like hookworm also suck the blood from the body. So annual deworming also present, and albendazole tablet is given to the uh, people under annual deworming program. And annual deworming days also there in our health program. What are the sign and symptom by which we can guess about, or we will uh, think that this person might having iron deficiency anemia? The person is breathlessness, tired, fatigue, uh, malaise, failure to thrive. Uh, from simple these symptoms too, the person can even go into congestive cardiac failure. Even murmurs are also seen in iron deficiency anemia. Treat. Uh, let's talk about the treatment. Uh, in our India, Anemia Mukt Bharat program is going on, uh, in which there are uh, iron folic acid tablet, which are generally given for almost all age groups. Uh, if there is deficiency of iron, then we have to supplement the iron so that iron deficiency is fulfilled. And some other things are also given so that which increase the absorption of iron, such as vitamin C and other things also. Count, if RBC count is also less, then it's also anemia.